Hey buddies, so basically in today's GFG POTD we have a problem ways to reach the nth stairs. So basically it is a medium wave problem and we need to solve it uh, by using dynamic programming here. So basically this question is asking that there are n stairs, a person standing at the bottom wants to reach at the top. The persons can climb either one stairs or two stairs at a time. Your task is to count the number of ways the persons can reach at the top. Order doesn't matter. Okay, so basically this is a problem, and here the example is like given here. If we have n number of stairs, then our output will be 1. That means we can go by only just one way. That means if we have only one stairs, then we can climb only for just one stair. Okay, if we have two, then there are two ways. Either we can reach second step, let's say by one step, or we can directly jump to the second step. And as in the question it is already given that we have to climb it by using by either we can select one stair or by using two stairs. Okay, and similarly this is the third example here, and this is like asked in multiple companies like Flipkart, Amazon, Microsoft, OYO Rooms, and Adobe. Okay, and it is like it is based on sliding windows, dynamic programming, mathematics, and algorithms. So basically it is one of the most important and you can say easy level problem of dynamic programming. It's just based on it's completely based on dynamic programming concept, and here we have to solve this one with an expected time complexity of order of n and expected auxiliary space of order of 1. So let's try to solve this problem, but before that I would like to explain about this thing. Okay, so first of all let's say this thing. Okay, so according to the given problem, if I'm talking about the first example here, so our second example here, so in example 1, if we have n number of stairs, let's see, if I'm talking about this is the stair 1. Okay, and I'm standing here. Okay, I'm standing here, and if we have to climb, that means if we have only n number of stairs, that means 1, where we have one stairs, then we can do only one we can perform only one steps. That means by using only one way. So here we can say that if we have only n stairs, and that means one stairs, then we can use only one step. Okay, if we have two steps, let's say if we're standing again here, so if we have to do these things, so here we have like by logical also we can we actually doing it on our day-to-day life, like we can uh, uh, jumps over by directly 2 or just by 1 by 1. Okay, by using two steps or just by using 1 by 1 steps to reach at the top. Okay, this is one the top. So if we have n is equal to 2, so here we have two ways, and in the given questions we need to only return the number of counts, that of how many ways through which we can like reach at the top positions. Okay, basically this is the example 1 here, and this is example 2 here. So if I'm talking about the example 3rd here, where we have there we have n is equal to 4. Okay, so if we have n is equal to 4, so let's say 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that means this is the top position, and here I'm standing. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. So basically this is the top positions where I need to reach. So how we can do these things? So here we have to return the total number of ways through which we can climb at the top. So first of all, first thing is that we can if we have we can say that if we have the stairs greater than 2, then we can climb it by using 1 by 1. That means let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the first way. Second way is like we can say that we can jump by two steps, like let's say this and this. Okay, and the third thing we can say that we can like jump or by one step, and we can directly jump to two steps and again then one step, or we can directly starting with the two steps direct and then 1 1. Okay, and at the last also we can say that here we can directly let's say we can say that here we are climbing by one step and again by two steps and then again one. So here we have total 5 ways through which we can climb at the top. Okay, so let's try to solve this problem here first. So by the observation we can say that here if we have dp of 1 or dp of 0, that means if we are standing at the same positions, then there we have to return the value 1. That means here we have to use only, here we have only one options through which we can climb, okay, by one step. So first of all, here we have to return the total of ways through which we can climb at the stairs. So here first of all we have to create a vector of int type, okay, and here we have to, let's say if I'm saying that the name of vector is dp, and here I'm going to initialize it with by n plus 1, where n is the uh, stairs, okay, number of stairs with 1, and initially I have to like call it with 0. Okay, then after that what I have to do, as by the observations we have already seen that if we have dp of 0, that means the stairs at which we are actually staying, okay, if we have 0 number of stairs, so there we have to return 1, as we already stays on that portions, okay. And if we are talking about dp of 1, that means if we have only one number of stairs, then we don't have any other options to move by two steps. Here we have only one ways to which we can reach at the top, that means 1. But if we have to say for int I is equal to 2, if we have more than 2 stairs, or let's say 2 stairs also, then there we have 2 steps. Let's say, as according to this example here, if we have the number of stairs as 2, so here we can do it by using 1 and 1, and this is the top position here. But we can like also reach it by directly jump from ground to that second stairs, okay. So for int I is equal to, so here we have to do I is less than equal to n, that means the size of stairs, then I plus plus, and here we have to insert it inside dp of I, okay, which we have like dp of I as we have to calculate it, okay, for the ith, and here we can say dp of I minus 1 and dp of I minus 2. Okay, so basically I need to check it for both cases, let's say for one steps and as well as for the 2 steps, okay. And we need to like return all those number of ways of count inside the dp of I, and simply we have to return here, return dp of n, and it basically returns the number of ways through which we can reach at the top of the stairs. So let's compile and run. So yeah, it's executed well and its compilation is completed. Let's try to submit it. So it's submitted. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.